Hey there, Team B! You were asking about what the garden looks like now. So it's been about 6 to 8 weeks since we planted our seeds, and I wanted to show you how things are coming along. So you may remember these are the herbs, the oregano and the sage, and the marjoram, and this is tarragon. And here are some chives. And those were big before, and here's some thyme, but they've gotten bigger. Now, here are the places where I planted some seeds. So here are all the radishes, and I've already harvested some. So you may see that they are quite big and ready to eat already. And here is where I planted some spinach. And that guy's a little small, but this one's pretty big, and I can peel some off there. Moving along here, we planted some beets. They've been a little slow to grow, but we do have some sprouts. And there are the green beans. 1 set, 2 sets, and 3 sets over here. They've all sprouted. These are peas, and they're going to climb up here. And I have another set that's going to climb up down there. They're well on their way. These are going to be parsnips, and they have sprouted. And here are the leafy tops of the potatoes that we planted. This is actually celery, and look how big it is. You can see the celery stalks down there. And that's the part that you would eat. We have a tomato plant coming along. Oh, actually a baby tomato there. And here is our lettuce. This, my friends, grew from 1 little pumpkin seeds. It's going to be a pumpkin. And these are some peppers. Oh, don't forget the carrots. Those are some more potatoes as well. Moving along our path here, it's getting kind of bushy. And I have some more pumpkins and some different squashes, so that one's zucchini. Moving along, if I can fit, and some butternut squash. Take a look at this spinach. I planted it at the same time, the same seeds, and it grew so much bigger. Why do you think that is? Well, I'll tell you this spot is much sunnier, so it liked that. Another pepper plant, and some more potatoes are coming up. And over here, these are all going to be raspberries. This is a blueberry bush, and so is this one. And this one's going to have lots of blueberries. You can tell because it already has started. I have another baby tomato plant here with a bunch of baby tomatoes on it, and that is called dill. So friends, you can see that from those little seeds, a lot has grown in just 6 to 8 weeks. In another 4 weeks, it'll be harvesting time for a lot of these things.